Hi guys, let's unbox my order from Fashion Nova. Okay, you guys, so this is the Kyra high neck pant sets. I don't know what happened, and I got this in a size medium, but my size is typically large. But like the clothes is giving all that you should give. I really love it so much. And then I love the detail that they have going on here. It's so nice. And yeah, so I'm sure this clothes is going to be very cool if it comes in my size. Okay, so you guys, this is the Harmony sleeveless top. I love this detail here so much. I love the shape the top gives me. Yeah, and this is a large. So, guys, this is probably one of my best buys. This is the Venae Sweater Maxi dress. I really love the details. Let me show you guys. So, this is divine. This is beautiful. This is the cute. So, see the length. 6 feet, 2 inches tall. So for a tall girl, this is a good buy. See, brands need to start calling me to do a house for them because hey you guys, for a tall girl, this is so good. 6 feet, 2 inches tall, and this pant is this pant is my full length, as you guys can see. I know I'm so even if I raise up my legs, like do I'm on a heel, it's still gonna work. Then the color is a bit brighter than I would have wanted, but yeah. Then the top as well. So this is the details on the top. I love the details, but it's a bit transparent if you can actually notice. Yeah, but it's still good. Um, okay, so this looks good. You guys can see how it looks. Okay. So this is exactly the same as the white one I wore earlier, just in a burgundy. Or should I say dark red? Yeah, this is burgundy, definitely. So I obviously love the top. And then we have this. This would have been like my best. But I decided not to listen to the comments because the comments literally said I should size down. But I'm like, I never size down and it always works perfectly. So I didn't size down. And now I see the reason why I should have sized down. The details on this clothes is so beautiful. So you can actually open the buttons and style them any way you want to. So like just like what I did up there, opened up a little, just to show a bit of chest area, but like really, if I had sized down, I feel like this was going to like hug my body a bit more and like show my shape. So if you can see, it looks like it has like rumples and stuff around it. So it's not really exactly my size. So I'm thinking of maybe giving this out to someone. Um, yeah, so you can also see how I opened it up by the knee to show some legs. Yeah. And then I tried to do this part where I opened it like the two sides, but don't really think it's something I fancy. What do you guys think, really? So, which of the styles do you think you're going to try if you own this dress? Opening it by the side, one side, two sides on the legs, or just by the neck side? What do you think? Yeah, so this one I got it to do a Christmas photo shoot, to be very honest. I'm like, oh, you know what? I'm just going to do something cute and stuff this year. And I really love it. So I tried to wear just this one, but it was very, very mini. Like it was way shorter than what I would wear on a normal day. So that's why I matched it with a leggings because it's the kind of short gowns that is stretchy. So when you're walking, it pulls up. Okay, you guys, so thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section which of these you prefer on me. Which one do you want me to return? What's your least favorite? Which one looked the best? Also for this one, you guys, let me know. Do you guys actually like this clothes? I had the opportunity to buy either this or a sweater top. And I decided to opt for this. Seeing how mini it was on the model and forgetting that I'm this tall. Oh my goodness gracious. Ife. Just feel like I wasted my money. But that's okay. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comment section. Let's go. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys in another video. And if you also want me to do more of these hauls, what do you think? Did I do this well? I don't even know what I'm saying, but just share whatever your thoughts are in the comment section. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you. You guys, making this video was so stressful because I had to shoot for both short content and long form content at the same time. Like, it was just stressing me. The whole preparation, my makeup, dressing up, doing all of this, it took me a long time. Like, not 1 hour. But yeah, I really hope this video does well, really, because this took some energy from me to make. So the video needs to do the numbers. Okay? Anyway, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Love you all so much. To the moon and back as always. Bye.